And what do you think about presidents of countries going for medical treatments abroad? Just think about it. You're a doctor here in America. If a patient comes to your clinic and is coming from another country, leader of another country, what are the implications?
Yeah. So on the face value of it, there, as a physician who's treated patients here in the US, and some of them have come from far away, even advanced countries of Europe and Asia. It's not necessarily a terrible thing that somebody decides to seek care at a place that he feels will be able to take care of his medical condition. Remember, we're talking about health. But that being said, there's a huge difference between a private citizen seeking care and the head of a nation. And I say that because the head of a nation is the repository of a country's secret. So there's always going to be a concern of, okay, what are these people up to? What happens? This guy goes under anesthesia. Is he going to start to spill out some of the secrets? Those kind of things. There was a time, I remember when I first came to the US, I was working at the Methodist Hospital here in Houston. And there was a very popular surgeon. His name was Debeki. He was like the #1 thoracic surgeon all over the world. And the Russian president, Mikhail Gorbachev, at the time, was having this heart problem that he feels like Debeki was the only one who can fix it. Now, they didn't fly him to the US to get treated. What they did is that they arranged everything and sent Debeki to Russia and take care of him. That's because they know, even from the standpoint of, the pride of a nation. I mean, when the whole president of a country leaves and goes to somewhere else to seek care, then it said something about the state of healthcare in the home country. But in Tinubu's case, we're not just battling, Tinubu and some of them, we're not just battling about the fact that he's going out doing that, but even, being truthful about it, because we're told it was a private visit. And remember that just prior to his inauguration, he went to the same France. So we wonder what is going on in France that it has become a favorite tourism spot for the president. So the secrecy, the secrecy that everything is shrouded, is what is always very troubling outside of the other things that we talked about.